Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add full-width images in Squarespace. This is a great way to create visual impact on your website and make your pages look more professional and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website you want to edit. This will open up the editor interface where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Now on the left side of your screen, click on Website. Just underneath that option, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This will show you all the different pages that make up your website, allowing you to choose exactly where you want to add your full-width image. From the list of pages that appears, select the specific page where you want to add the full-width image. This could be your home page, an about page, or any other page you're working on. Once you've selected your page, click on Edit to start making changes. Next, click on Add section. This is where things get interesting because full-width images in Squarespace aren't just simple blocks, they're actually entire sections that span the width of your page. This gives you much more flexibility and visual impact. On the left side of your screen, you'll see several categories. Under the Showcase category, click on Images. This will display various image layout options that Squarespace offers. Now look through the available options and find a full-width image layout. Once you spot it, click on it to add it to your page. The image section will now appear on your website, and you can click directly on it to start customizing. After clicking the image section, select Edit Selection, then click on Background. This is where you can replace the placeholder image with your own. You have several options here. You can upload an image from your computer, select one from your Squarespace library, browse through stock images, or choose from pre-made backgrounds. Here's an important tip. Once your image is in place, you can also adjust the section height to make it larger or smaller, set the focal point to ensure the most important part of your image is visible, and even add overlay text to create compelling headlines or calls to action right on top of your image. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. Your full-width image is now live on your page, creating that bold, professional look you were going for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.